हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम 100 WPM पे डिक्टेशन लिखेंगे, सो गेट रेडी। स्टार्ट। The jurisdiction of this court has been invoked under Article 32 of Constitution of India by way of the present writ petitions seeking inter alia appropriate directions to the respondent Union of India to examine the existing legal framework governing hate speech and to take such steps as may be necessary to effectively address and regulate the same by way of a legislation. Stop para. The proceedings have been primarily by two developments. Stop. First, reliance has been placed upon the 267th report of the Law Commission of India, which recommended certain amendments to the criminal law, including the introduction of specific provisions dealing with incitement to hatred. Stop. Secondly, the petitioners have referred to the emergence of public speeches during the pandemic allegedly targeting particular religious minorities, wherein it was hereinafter referred to a constitution. Stop para. Members of those communities were responsible for spreading the virus by engaging in communal conduct rather than adhering to public health protocols such as social distancing. Stop. These proceedings arise from 13th writ petitions filed by petitioners from various parts of the country. Stop. The reliefs sought in the present proceedings. Stop. Direct and declare that sentence for committing the offences against public tranquility, offences relating to elections, offences relating to religion, and offences relating to criminal intimidation, insult, and annoyance shall be consecutive, not concurrent. Stop. Pass such other order or direction as the court deems fit and proper to control offences against public tranquility, offences relating to elections, offences relating to religion, and offences relating to criminal intimidation, insult, and annoyance. Stop. Issue a writ in the nature of mandamus order or direction against the concerned respondents to stop the dissemination of fake news and communally biased news by the media, including print, electronic, and on social platform, and on information and sought to endanger the peace and harmony of the society. Stop. Order or direction against the concerned respondents to take steps to guarantee the safety and security of Muslims who are being victimized on account of the reckless vilification by the media, and issue a writ in the nature of mandamus and or any other writ order or direction against the concerned respondents to give a detailed report on the cases that have been filed and lodged against miscreants who have committed acts of violence against Muslims and sought to endanger the peace and harmony of the society. Stop. Issue a writ in the nature of mandamus and any other writ order or direction to the respondents to outlay and make public the cluster areas and hotspot of coronavirus in the country as well as publicize necessary precautions to the residents, inhabitants of such areas. Stop. Respondents to evolve a national policy as to what extent and to what details the names and entities of person who are being tested and or found positive being quarantined be disclosed to the public, and such a national policy be respectful of individual dignity and privacy, and only after the reports have been provided to such patients and are made. Stop.